Hello my dear friends, welcome to my first contact with Olight's M2R Pro Warrior. I was visiting Olight in China mid of October this year and my contact arena showed me around their big main office so I can see how Olight tries to make a difference. They use of course big working spaces so design and development all of them connect together and they have the in-house prototyping um, doing a lot of tests and all these values from the laboratories. Those go into the pre-production samples which are also tested of course for the brightness, for the beam quality and the tints. They use diving tests like in this 2-meter pool to see IPX rating. They abuse their flashlights by dropping them repeatedly on the floor and I have seen temperature chambers where they have frozen the flashlights and heated them up of course, and if everything is fine they go into the production lines which are in a different building of course. They do the laser engraving in-house, so that's the cap of the magnetic charger. Then we see many parts of course, and this guy is soldering on the tail switch for the M2R Pro. And you see these reflections, that's because they have some closed compartments for working steps where dust is a problem or where the soldering fumes need to be sucked off the work. And I can imagine you are as amazed as I was how many hands uh, having a unit while this assembly. So I have seen when something was not to the favor of one guy, he just gave it back one step. So if there is any small mistake, the next guy will notice. And here at the end, there is a end test where the function is tested, and uh, when everything is fine, they go into the final packaging. And you see it starts with cleaning. The girl in the background, she's doing the serial numbers of the labeling. So many hands having a single product. So that's if something goes wrong, someone will notice. So that was a very big thing for me. We see the girl in the background packing the accessories. Here's the charging cables, which are winded up nicely one by one. So no big machines. That's real people doing their part to make a nice product, which is then packed and assembled, and one step by one step is seen by someone. So there is a constant quality control, I would say. Finishing with the yellow label telling the first steps before using the light. And one of the last things to do is throwing them in that machine, doing the nice blistering. I somehow was amazed by that, so excuse me for that shot. And again, looking at it, checking if everything have gone nicely, and when the foil is ripped, it wouldn't go to one of the last steps, packing them so they can be shipped out to the stores, and you have a nice new product in your hand. So on the video description, you see a link to the 2-day sale for the M2R Pro Warrior. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.